Hey there, friends. Sometimes it's okay to be a little lazy, to lie back, listen to the wind, and let the world keep spinning without us. Even the forest rests. This old log once stood tall, now it naps in moss and shade, still full of life. And you're still growing, even in stillness. Let's see what wonders this quiet holds today. No, that's okay. Thanks for the pause, the peace, and the play, for walking the quiet woodland way. May wonder find you where you roam, and every path feel like a little home. Until next time, stay joyful, stay curious, and as always, may your packs be full of wonder.